Welcome back. You're watching the 11th match in round 2 in TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz 2021. The scores are Creative Kids Learning Academy on 25 and Hagley Park Prep on 18. Now let's go to the final challenge. In this section, questions will be thrown open to both teams with the first to press the buzzer, earning the right to answer after being identified. Teams will earn 2 points for each correct answer, but lose 2 if the answer is incorrect or incomplete. The team pressing the buzzer first has 5 seconds in which to answer. This section lasts for 4 minutes. We'll have 4 minutes on the Guardian's new ultimate provider clock. As we begin in general knowledge. Teams, it's a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed. Creative Kids.
Switzerland!
That's right. Sports. The ICC is the world governing body for which sport? Creative Kids.
Cricket!
That's right. Bible knowledge. In the book of Revelation, John speaks about letters written to how many churches? Creative Kids.
7 churches!
How many churches of Asia? 7 is correct. Science. The jejunum is the middle section. Hagley Park.
The small intestines.
The small intestines.
Is the middle section of the large intestines in humans. Is this statement true or false? It's false because it's the middle section of the small intestines. That's incorrect. English language. Form a verb from the word little. Creative Kids.
Least.
That's incorrect. It's belittle. Music. What's the name of the lowest female singing voice? Hagley Park.
No. Alto.
Alto.
That's incorrect. It's contralto. General knowledge. Who is the Prime Minister of the United Kingdom? Creative Kids.
Boris Johnson? Boris Johnson!
The United Kingdom. That's correct. Television is a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this actor. He's Moises Arias. Mathematics. ABC is an equilateral triangle. If the perimeter of the triangle is 24 centimeters, then what's the combined length of side A and B? Creative Kids.
48 centimeters.
That's incorrect. It's 16 centimeters. Social studies. Which word starting with M refers to a town, city, district, or its governing body? Hagley Park.
Municipal. Corporation.
That's incorrect. We're looking for municipality. Television. Complete the title of this cartoon series. Brandy and Hagley Park.
Mr. Whiskers.
That's correct. Sports, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
No.
West Indies cricketer Evan Lewis. Bible knowledge. Which Bible leader was also given the name Jerubbaal? Gideon. Science. What is the name given to the section of the small intestines in humans? That's Hagley Park.
Duodenum.
That's connected to the stomach. It's duodenum. That's incorrect, I believe. English language. Spell magnificent. Hagley Park.
Magnificent. Magnificent. Magnificent.
That's right. Music. What's the surname of the American singer popularly known as Usher?
No.
It's Raymond. General knowledge. What was the household name of the noted Jamaican self-styled artist Malika Reynolds?
Coffee.
It's Capo. Local affairs. Who is the president of Jamaica's Court of Appeal? Hagley Park.
Dennis Morrison.
That's incorrect. It's Honorable Justice Patrick Brooks. Mathematics. If the square of A is 196, what's the value of 2A? Hagley Park.
28.
That's right. Social studies. St. Dorothy was a former Creative Kids.
St. Catherine!
Was a former parish in Jamaica but has now been absorbed into which existing parish? St. Catherine is correct. Bible knowledge. In the New Testament, who was with the Apostle Paul when a prison door opened after they prayed and sang at midnight? I believe the bell came first, which means that it's the end of the match. Silas would have been the correct answer. The scores are Creative Kids Learning Academy on 31 and Hagley Park Prep on 14. We'll double check these scores and return with the final scores after these messages.